Hello everyone. Well, my paper pumpkin arrived today and I was so excited to get it because it's so pretty. I started ripping the cellophane off right away before I even decided to film. So then I thought, oh wait, I'm supposed to do that on camera. This is the Daydream March 2025 paper pumpkin kit. Now the March one is always special because it's the anniversary pumpkin kit and usually it comes with 2 stamp sets. And this one is really pretty box. Look at that. So a lot of people repurpose the boxes and maybe you want to use a little label on here and then write happy birthday or for you or something. So the rest of the box still has the pretty design, but you can cover up the paper pumpkin if you're giving it as a gift, because this one is a pretty one. Okay, yep, 2 stamp sets. I will show these up close in a minute. Ooh. Okay, the spot this month is Lost Lagoon. If you've been on my channel before, you might know that this is one of my favorite colors, and it is the color of the craft room wall. My craft room, I brought a piece of cardstock in years ago when Lost Lagoon was a temporary color, and I painted my craft room Lost Lagoon. Okay, here it is. Okay, I already love it. It's very cheerful. Here's the picture. Ooh, we've got some cutouts. All right, let's open this up. Let me grab my snips. All right, so we've got our adhesives in this little container. It looks like we've got square, or are these strips? Yep, some strips and some traditional dimensionals and some glue dots. We've got a whole different grouping of adhesive today. Look at these envelopes. These are fun. So we've got three different envelopes, all really fun. Okay, and then we've got some card bases, probably 3 different card bases. Let's find those. 1, 2, there should be one more. Oh, here's another base. So this kit makes 9 cards. You've got 3 each of the different card bases and 3 each of the envelopes. And then here's some little elements here. We've got vellum. We've got, this is like a cutout, so you're going to have kind of a little peek through here. And of course there's 3 of those. We've got some little honeycomb. Those are nice. Laser cutout, so you just punch those out. Another layering piece. Here are some die cuts. Look at how nice those are. Very detailed, very pretty. And you've got 3 sheets of those. Lovely. All right, some more labels. And our instructions. Oh, and here's for the stamp set. Now they've got 2 stamp sets here, so you've got 2 images. Now a lot of people, you can cut these out and use them inside of a case, or some people turn these into envelopes by folding it in half, and then you can put some adhesive on the 2 sides and then use it as a little pouch to put these in, which is what I prefer to do. But with 2, you might not be able to do that. Let's see. Yeah, you could. You can still do it. Okay, so here's the 1 stamp set we've got here, and it's got a thank you, sweetest birthday wishes. Thank you for always being there for me. Wishing you brighter days ahead and enjoy your special day. And then you've got this little bee body and wings. And so I'm thinking you can stamp this one up in yellow and layer it on top of this bee if you wanted. And this one could be like some kind of another color. And you can layer these stamps and makes a really cute bee, or you can just color this bee in with markers too if you wanted to, or leave in black. That's fine too. So then the other stamp set, has a really nice beehive. And then happy birthday, hello, and the floral. Now, let's see. Okay, so it looks like the only stamping you're going to do on the cards with the Lost Lagoon is your greeting. And then there's some background with that honeycomb. So this one is a bonus. It's not really used in your cards, but this one you're going to use the greetings of your choice. and the honeycomb, and then the rest is you know, these die cuts and things like that. So then you can embellish the insides. And then what's nice is see how, let's see if I can find what I'm thinking of. Okay, this honeycomb here could be made with this stamp. So if you wanted to do something like this and you've used up all of your pieces, you can make your own envelopes with this honeycomb by doing things like that on the sides, or you can do like the card bases. Ooh. I think, yeah, here, this one has some honeycomb on it too. Really fun. What does this one have? This one's just kind of a pale blue, really pretty. So you can kind of use your honeycomb this way for a nice background. That's a nice stamp set to have. And then, oh, I'm making a mess. And then it's got some nice sentiments to go with it. I love that it has a lot of variety. Happy birthday, hello, thank you, enjoy your day, that kind of thing. And then it's got a bee, so when you run out of your bee pieces, you can stamp some more of your own. Super cute. Now, I don't know if you see the Stampin' Up website, or if you go to Paper Pumpkin, you might know that you can have, there's an add-on die set every quarter that goes with like several Paper Pumpkin kits, and then they show you, so this quarter there's a heart that went with the February kit, but you can use that, I mean, the hearts all the time. Great for wedding anniversary or just an I love you card. And then there's a bee, and then there's a honeycomb, which is kind of like the die cut. Here you go. So you've got, you know, that and a fun bee, and then these were little chives that were from last month's kit. So every quarter there's a new die set, and they're not expensive. I think they're $12. I'll have to double check that. And then you get that, you can add that on. So anyway, it's a really fun little kit this month. It's got 2 stamp sets. It's really pretty. Again, if you missed this, because the cutoff for getting the kit is always the 10th of the month before, so we're past that. So you cannot order this kit to be coming to you as a subscription anymore. This was last month's. However, sometimes they have extra kits and they sell them at the Stampin' Up website under past kits and refills in the Paper Pumpkin section, but you have to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber in order to get those refills and these dies. So if you are not a subscriber and you wish you were, I'm going to put a link below so that you can subscribe to Paper Pumpkin and never miss a kit. If there's a past kit that you wished you could get and there aren't any refills, you can check my blog, bethspapercuts.com, and click the garage sale tab. And if I have extra kits from before, they will be listed there. Or if I have any of those die sets from before, they will also be listed there. What else can I tell you? And I always have extra kits. I buy several so that some of my customers who don't like to do the subscription thing can get them. But sometimes I have even more left over, so you can let me know if you missed this kit and wish you could get it. You can contact me through email or my blog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.